cotton ball. All right, hold it up. Because I'm going to need it in a minute. Don't drop it. If you drop it, I got to give you another one. I got to beat it. All right? Here we go. All right, now we have the children all ready to be baptized. We ask a blessing upon the children to be baptized. Ask now the blessing on the children. Yes, and now ask the godparents to make the sign of the cross on the forehead of the child. All right, the godparents make the sign of the cross on the forehead. Very good. How many girls do we have? Girl? Girl? Girl. 15 you guys came. Oh, they got 6 boys here. All right, now that we gave the blessing, now you children, you have to say this prayer with me. Let's see if you can do it, all right?